Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well, and welcome to another video. So I went to Lidl the other day, get myself a curry, bottle of wine, and as usual I went down the middle aisle, and I always end up buying something. I never spend a fortune there, but I did find something which really took my fancy and I thought I'd share with you, and it's something which I'm actually using to shoot this video with now. So it is a light, an LED light, and I'll just spin the camera around, I'll set up the tripod and I'll just show you what it is and why I bought it. So this is the item in question then. It's obviously made by Parkside, or at least that's a brand name because it's from Lidl, and it's a cob LED light. Cob is the lighting mechanism, that strip in there, look, which is brighter than the traditional little bulbs, and this is a very useful little light. It gives out 500 lumens on full mode. On half mode, on the light saving or battery saving, it's 250, and then I'm just going to put this onto the next level, which is flashing. So if you've got epilepsy, please turn away now. Okay, so this is a really useful little light. Now it's very lightweight. You can actually mount it in different ways. Now it does have a bit of a crude mechanism on here, look, but the fact is it does work. So it's a bit loud, a little bit crude, but it does work, and it folds flat like that. So you can mount it like that on a number of different angles. And yeah, it's just quite a nice, easy to use, cheap and cheerful little light. That's the on-off switch here. So press it once, a full light, 500 lumens. Press it again for 250 lumens, and then press it a third time for your flashing light. Now obviously you can just mount it on a flat surface like this. You can hang it or hold it, and something like this is perfect if you need some extra light when you're doing DIY, perhaps something to keep in your car, your van, minibus, whatever. So this then, I mean look, the specification on this isn't anything extraordinary. What is extraordinary is the price, and it's decent build quality. The price for this is £4.99, and the fact is it also comes with 4 AA batteries. So the batteries obviously go in there. Look, I've already put them in, which is why I can get the thing to work. So yeah, just a very useful little light here, and as I say, I've actually been using it to create extra light in the man cave while shooting this video. So that's the light in question. Now I don't know about you guys and gals, but if I find something like this which is practical, something which is useful in a variety of situations, something which represents really good value for money and is readily available at this point in time, I've actually bought 4. So these do actually come in 2 different sizes. You've got this one here, which is a vertical one, and you also have a horizontal one. So the specification is the same, 500 lumens, 250, and also the flashing light. The difference is that one stands vertically, as I say, and the other sits horizontally like that there. Now I've actually got 2 of each of these. Incidentally, they also have a 3-year guarantee, which is absolutely phenomenal. So I've got 2 of each, so for £20 I've got 4 decent lights. They'll last me for absolutely ages, 3-year guarantee on all of them, and yeah, these can be utilised in a number of environments and situations. So 20 quid, I think that's a damn good buy, and as I say, particularly bearing in mind you do get the batteries with them. So I'll just quickly unbox one of these and show you what the other one looks like. Bear with me. So there we go. Okay, the mechanism on this one's a little bit better, I think. So sits like that. As I say, you get, okay. Oh, sorry, I thought I thought that this only had 2 AA batteries, but it's a 4 AA battery, the same as the other one. So you get your batteries as well. Look, they go in the back there, on, off, etc. Yeah, and you've still got the little screw there. Look, so anyway, I'm not going to bother putting them in at this stage. I'm going to put it back in the box. But there we go. Look, that's what we're talking about. I think they represent excellent value for money. So there we go, folks. I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, share it with your families and friends. I do appreciate you as always. You take care. Bye bye.